Hey y'all, this is Bolen Outdoors, or in today's case, Bolen Builds and Repair. And what we're doing is repairing this control panel unit for the windows in my 2015 Chevy Traverse. The issue I'm having is I'm able to roll down all the windows. However, on the passenger side, passenger rear, and driver rear, they do not roll back up. You have to manually go over and use the switches. So we're going to get this swapped out. It's a very easy fix. And this part was about $70 on Amazon. I'll include that link below if you need to pick one up for yourself. But let's jump into the repair. Alrighty, so to get started, we got a little access panel right here. Just pop that out. A couple little clips in there. Alright, and then that's going to expose a couple Torx bits in there. So we're going to go ahead and remove those real quick. All right, so that should be a T30 size. That's what we got right there. That is stripped out. That's weird. There you go. There's our two screws. So now that we've removed this one, there's also a little panel back here. We're just going to repeat the same thing. I get my tool in there. This one's a little knock-off spot. It's kind of hard to get to. A little notch cut into it to open it. There we go. Okay, it's nice. Got the little panel out. Do the exact same thing here. Go ahead and remove the screw. Again, I'm using a Torx T30 to get it out of here. There we go. And that one might be shorter than the other two. No, it's the exact same size. So next we're going to start working our way around. Start moving this panel. There's be some various clips. See, there's one right there. All throughout. I'm going to work my way around, like I said, start getting those out so we can get this loose. There we go, that was off. There's two different versions of this. One version you can just remove this little panel here, it just pops out, everything clips in. Takes probably 10 minutes to replace this whole thing. I have the version that requires you to take off the whole door panel, flip it over, and then unclip it from the bottom. So that's where we're at. All right. Let's see if I can't unclip this. It should just clip right in. There we go. Alright, so there's our piece that came out. As you can see, it came apart, but it clips back in. It's all nice and solid. That's our old one. This is our new one. This is our new piece right here. Everything should just pop in nice and easy. Everything should clip in. All these pins should clip in, and with the exception of the 3 screws, we should be good to go. So I'm just going to guide this from the top side here. Everything clipped in nice. We've got this piece here that's going to clip in. Now with that one, there's also this additional clip that went into it. I couldn't show you that before because of the way I did it. There we go. This one should clip in nice and simple. Oh, alright. The clip piece itself just shot and hit me in the eye, but we should be good to go. I don't think that's gonna be much of a problem. Alright, so let me fight with this to try to get this back in, or onto the door, I should say. Oh, there we go. This one's in. Great. Looks pretty good. All right, so moment of truth. I'm not gonna show all the windows because I don't think my wife would be happy with me showing the neighborhood off. Okay, so that's driver's side up. I'm sorry, driver's side down, driver's side up. Passenger front up. Passenger front down. Passenger rear up. Passenger rear down. Driver rear up, driver rear down. Looks like we're in business. Success. So let me go ahead and pop these two panels on and we're off. Hope you guys have enjoyed that, and if you've got any questions for me, drop them in the comments, and like I said, I'll include this part that I picked up off Amazon below. Y'all have a good one.